Hello everybody, thanks for turning back into Wines.com. This is Bill Elsey. Today I'm going to taste the Tortoise Creek Carignan. This is a grape that is grown predominantly in the south of France. These grapes come from the Languedoc region of southern France. This is Tortoise Creek's 2010 Vieilles Vignes, which means old vines in French. So we'll see what the Carignan has to offer here. Just a quick look at the color. Really pretty, just light ruby red characteristics to it, clean and bright. Let's see what's going on the nose. So I would say this has more of a red floral driven profile aromatically first. It's pretty. It has it's rose petal, this kind of like cherry blossom, a little bit of like a violet and gardenia type of aromatics coming through on the nose, almost reminiscent of what I think of like Cru Beaujolais. So very aromatic in character, florally. Now there are some red cherry fruits, a little bit of dried strawberry, red raspberry character that's coming through. And you can tell that this comes from the south of France. To me, it just has this kind of herbaceousness, almost like a lavender or earthy type of character coming through on the nose. So there's a lot of things going on in this one. Let's see how it tastes. So the fruit characteristics and the floral notes really dominate on the palate, and so it's kind of like a lush young strawberry. I don't know if that even really is something that you can say, but it's got this kind of soft character to it with this cherry, a little bit of a juicy strawberry, some of this raspberry, a little bit of a just a little tart cranberry character coming through. The florals, I can still like taste the floral elements on the palate, so the rose petal and that cherry blossom character seem to come through. Really, this is a well-balanced wine with there's a spiciness, there's dried earth note that's lingering on the mid palate as well. The tannins on this wine are very well balanced, and I'm not getting much new oak at all. So I think that this is it's a great food wine. Even though it comes from a warmer region of France, it doesn't seem like it's getting to be too ripe. It still is relatively fresh with the acidity that I get to it. So, you know, a great wine for, I mean, this is, I would say, barbecues, pizza, pasta. I mean, this would hold up to grilled chicken, pork, things like that as well. So very nice offering here from Tortoise Creek with the 2010 Carignan. All right, well, thanks for everybody for tuning in here to Wines.com, listening to my thoughts as I reviewed some of the wines from Tortoise Creek, offering 8 different varieties from the south of France and also from Lodi in the Central Valley of California. I'm going to be tweeting my thoughts on the other wines that I didn't get a chance to review. Be doing that soon, so you can follow my Twitter handle @BillElsey, and I will be giving my tasting notes on some of the other varieties from Tortoise Creek. Some very clean wines in a very value-driven price point. Some nice offerings.